Stuck with the Uxthemou.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before diving into the manual fix for Uxthemou, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Uxthemou, the Uxtheme out-of-process helper. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of visual styles for modern applications, facilitating the data link between the DWM and localized UI manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Uxthemou.dll. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Uxthemou file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please use caution. Replacing Uxthemou.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Uxthemou. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Uxthemou dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.